Today we are going to learn how to move the position of your video. First, move your video clip to the timeline. Then click the video clip. Go to the Controls panel. Click the drop-down button of the transform. In here press the position. To control the x-axis or to move it right or left, press and hold this number here. Holding the button and dragging your mouse to the left would make the video go to the right. Dragging it to the left would make it go to the left. If you want to make your video go up or down, press and hold this one. Dragging it to the right would make the video go up, while dragging it to the left would make the video go down. That is all for today. Please don't forget to hit the like button, comment for any suggestions, and please subscribe for more content. As always, see you next time.